Welcome to Knicky's World, certified low quality, low budget video. Today we're doing barbecues, okay? How to make a fire in UAE, because we grill in like intimate spaces, so we don't have the big grill, so we don't do the braaihout, the firewood, okay? We don't use that. So we use charcoal, which is really shit. So I hate charcoal because you have to build all these piles and heaps of shit and then it doesn't work. So what we do in UAE, you go to Lulu, okay, and you buy this pochi. Okay, this pochi will make the fire. Okay, you just take your shit. Oh God, that's suspect. You take your shit and throw it in this pochi. Because we don't have time like these peasants to use charcoal and paper and what other shit. You just use grill time, because it's time to grill quickly. Just give it a little bit of a young spray. If it's even a mechi, salam alaikum. Okay, in the next 5 minutes, it's gonna be ready. You're gonna chuck it out. Where's that other guy? We got fire, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try to attempt to make it a little hard because love me wife. Okay, okay.
But it's failed.
Bitch. Ah, daddy. It doesn't work, Salma. Wait, maybe that one is more.
Ming, 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 ming. No, it doesn't work like that. Like, start.
Okay, guys, this is after 5 minutes of doing nothing, no hard work, no fanning, no extra fueling, no stacking papers or toilet paper in, no sweating. It's done. If you get up close, you can see maybe that it's a little bit red inside, just a little. And then you just throw it in your little grill. See, there's like sparks coming out. Maybe Pasco. Okay. It's a small piece for now. You put this in the side, you make another batch.
You?
Yeah.
Sige.
See, it's cack hot. Now, fireworks, baby. That's it.